We are here today to honor the passing of Mr. and Mrs. Roth, and we have their son here today, Nicky Roth.
Yes, they were very good people.
And the reason they passed is because a crow-like figure ate them.
It's called The Guest.
Sure, but... What was that?
The Guest. Ah, heck. Take this, Nicky. Get off.